You have to win, guys. Give me tips if you can. This game is old. I know. But it's okay. I accept, guys. Was retrying this level for the 10th time, I guess. I don't know. So let's try and beat it. I see the sort of tips and I believe so that's what we're doing. I didn't begin. So guys, if you're wondering, I'm poor. Yeah. Jesus. Guys, I might cook. There's another elephant coming. Guys, save my soul. Guys, I'm good. I'm just cooked, guys. This isn't working out for me. I thought it was, but no. Man, I'm struggling this level and I keep losing. And here, deploy a lot of cheap cats to protect your long-range attackers. Use your head when you fight and victory. Whoa, I think I found it out. Guys, I think they give us a hand. Use your head. This guy uses his head. I'm gonna guess. Let's try, guys. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Man, don't I have wildcat? Now I do, but I'm such a cheat. Okay, here we go. This way. Guys, I think using the head is gonna help me win. Never mind. I don't think so anymore. Guys, I got no strategy. I'm just gonna keep spawning cheap units before I'm gonna spawn the long range units. And this is the cheapest I could find. Yeah, I know, it's not cheap. On this in chapter 3. Yeah, let's do this. So far we got a lot of people. Let's wait a little. But I don't think my strategy worked out really well. So yeah, I'm just gonna die, I guess. Yeah. Let's just wait. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna accept defeat. Hey guys, my base is so low, but guys, I think I can actually do this. Please don't knock me back, guys. Man, this elephant. No! I worked so hard on that. Please don't kill me. I need mercy. Yes. No, don't celebrate yet. Why did I just do that? Okay, guys, no, the teleportation. Guys, we're slightly but not losing, so yeah. I guess I'm not gonna take the W, even though I wanted it very badly for a long time too. They're pushing me back. No. Guys, I'm gonna do a bad mistake by using this. Your money will be set to max and your cat cannon reload for 30 cat food. Do you want to? Nah, brother. So guys, what do I equip? Do I equip the cow cat? I don't really like him. Or do I just get Madame Sumo? I need to upgrade my cheap units. I don't have a lot of units too. So the Samba cat is really mad. Kung Fu cat could work. But guys, I did try Kung Fu cat. It didn't work. Should I this one? Maybe this one. And I have this one. Little fish cat. Should I upgrade him? I want to so badly, but nope, it's useless. Let me try upgrading Merc. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna try and upgrade her. on Manika. So yeah, let's try. Back, guys. I'm just gonna go to my Uber. I can't even buy this one, even if I want it. I'm gonna play some for that guy and just put it over here. Now let's try, guys. Guys, we're in battle. So let's just gonna wait a little so my money can store. This is awkward. Guys, it's not going well because they're losing currently against the Penguin that I hate proudly. Okay, just let me just use my telekinesis to push them backwards. Okay, cactus duo. Oh, the gorilla man. Guys, I decided I'm gonna press the button. Which is supposed to be bad. And it is, because I can't buy her yet. And that's a trouble, because I'm in trouble because seals come, man. Levels are getting too hard, guys, and Teacher Bonbon is way stronger than this level. And I'm struggling. Like, guys, let's just wait it out. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I got her, but I need meat seals. So actually, we're strategizing with her. I took a little damage from that little squirrel. See him over there is running. Go, go, go. Can do this. Wait, guys. Come on. Defeat her. It's easy. Well, I bet I couldn't beat her, but... Come on. No, don't die on me. Oh. Gee, these meat seals. You keep buying them, but the thing is... See... The elephant also has meat seals. Can't defeat it. If it keeps meat seals. And here comes the seal, I guess. That's bad. Really, guys. This is hard. You wouldn't... Oh, well... I could say some of you don't like the game. Sorry, guys. Should recommend what game I play next on mobile. We got through the first one, man. Oh, but I'm scared that he's gonna die in the second one. So we already took one knockback, so I'm probably good. Yes, come on. Oh, man. Yep. Man, it could take a little damage. No, I shouldn't have taken damage. Actually, I should have. Come on, man, don't reach my base. Come on, just... Okay. Come on, guys, we can do this. I believe, guys. You have to believe to do it. We did it! No way, we did it! Just so long, I actually did it, but then I'm just failing now. Wow. Here we go, guys. For some reason, no, never mind. Now, I just want to win. I just want to win, guys, so I just don't want to be here anymore. This level is already annoying enough. So let's just do this. And guys, I know I cut the video a lot, but it's okay. Guys can watch me play for about how many times now? 9 minutes. 46, 47, 48, 49 seconds is... Hey, I've been playing for 10 minutes. Wow. Didn't know that. Come on, I don't want to lose now. I made it so far, but man, how many elephants are they gonna spawn? That one. Oh no, 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 no! I'm gonna lose, man. Where's my blower, my leaf blower? Man, I want to give up. Guys, the cannon knocked them back, but didn't kill them. Unfortunately, I got another cannon. And I've been holding them back. Then the seal. Oh no. Let's just wait here and just appreciate the moments of me being killed slowly. Yes. Yay! Favorite girl. Hold on, there's two. How is there two more elephants? They've spawned in 4 elephants. Man! Product, help me. Help me! Okay, I'm losing again. I win and then I lose. How does that work? You know, I just can't beat them. Like, it's impossible. Just die. 1 elephant is dead. Guys, did you hear the news? Second is still alive, so I guess it doesn't make a difference. And another seal came. Wow. No, no, no. Leave me alone. Stop attacking me. Help me. Somebody. Somebody. I'm gonna die. Okay, I'm quit. Guys, I'm back. It's just so hard, man. If we can beat this last elephant and I don't spawn another one, seals are okay now. Yeah, man. I want to kill this gorilla and penguin so that they spawn in another. I'm just gonna quit. Man, I'm just wasting cat food, I'll admit it. I keep using the miracles, but it just won't help. Guess there's no need to hide it because I already just said it. Die! Die! Thank you so much for dying. No, man. Don't spawn another elephant, man. Oh, cover your eyes, guys. I'm cooked because I just used my last cat food. So it's either I'm getting cooked or I don't get cooked. Come on, so close. I'm just gonna quit because they spawned and I don't want. Man, these elephants. They just won't stop coming. What is this? North back, okay. Oh, okay, it's these guys. Need a relic. Yeah, I know. Now that I think of it, Now what's Jadeless? But it's none. It's none. I quit. Thanks for watching.